Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are installing the official TVS USB charger on the RTX 300. It looks simple, but there is a catch. The factory accessory socket is buried deep inside the fairing. It's almost impossible to see with the naked eye. I had to use my camera as a periscope just to find it. As you see, there is a cap on the socket, I guess to prevent water from shorting it, and it also is zip tied to the frame. This makes it difficult to remove it. After 10 minutes of struggling and a few scraped knuckles, I finally got a grip on it and pulled the cap out. If you don't want to go through all this, get it removed at the service center. If you're someone like me who loves a challenge, you are in for a treat. Just kidding. Now that the socket is finally available, route the charger wire to it, plug it in. Once set, you shall hear that satisfying click. Remaining steps are pretty straightforward. Remove the mirror, seat the charger under the stem, and bolt it back up. Make sure to route the cable along the factory loom for that clean professional look. It works exactly as it should, nothing fast, but it will get the job done on long trips. Plus, this spring loaded cap is solid for easy one handed use while geared up. You get dual ports USB A and Type C. I plan to use the C type for my makeshift Android Auto setup with a spare phone and USB A for my main phone as and when needed. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.